Great. Awesome news. The new cube just arrived like literally 20 minutes ago, and it's 11.5 louder than before. In fact, we held numerous of focus groups, and the main complaint was that the cube is not loud enough. We hear you, so we changed everything. We not only increased the power of the amplifier, but we also redesigned internal structure of the speaker, its shape and its case. That resulted the better definition and sound clarity. So here I have two cubes. This is the old one. This is the new one that just arrived. I will start the same audio track with the same software volume. Here and here. I don't know how it's on video, but in reality it's way louder. Wow.